Ted's Woodworking Ted's really work. Our project's easy to do. See how it works. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and I'm here to talk about the product of the carpentry plans. I imagine that if you are here seeing this video review is because you want to know more information about this product. And I have an alert to give you. If you actually buy this product, buy on the official website so you do not buy counterfeit product without warranty and support. And to help you, I will leave the link of the official site in the description of the video. And if you're wondering, the carpentry plans works. Yes, it works great for many people. The Woodworking Teds have helped thousands of people create something beautiful with their own hands, build the project of their dreams, build whatever they want, as something cannot find it retail, make something customized for a specific need. All with step-by-step instructions, detailed designs from A to Z, leaving the simple and even easy. It's like having a master joiner guiding you throughout the project. Offer exact cut list and materials for each project, to buy exact quantities, and not waste money. With crisp, colorful schemes included in each plane, there are simply no assumptions involved. The level of detail makes the project simple and easy. You can see exactly how everything should look before you build it. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur joiner with hand tools, or an experienced professional, you'll find thousands of projects to suit your level. Plus, you'll get free monthly plans for life. And you can also choose your own custom designs. Here's how it works. In addition to the 16,000 plans, new plans prepared in a workshop are launched every month. You will have lifetime access to a membership area where you can download these new plans monthly. And the good that there are no recurring fees, no expiry date. An example of a partial list of all 16,000 plans that you can immediately download are tree projects, Adirondack chairs, art exhibition, bathroom unit, cash projects, table de billard/billard de billard, chicken coops, children's rooms, clock plans, gazebos, greenhouses, guitars, gun cabinets, casas de cuelo, wooden shelves. Good staff are more than 16,000 projects, it would not be possible to list all. Ted's Woodworking has given many results to many people, including in the sales page. I leave the link below in the description of the video, has people telling the result they had with the use of Woodworking Teds. But it is very important you know, that you need to test to know if this product will work with you, because each person has a way interpretation. Sometimes what is easy for one is not so easy for others. But as there are projects that have been and are directed step by step for beginners, surely has everything to work out for you too. Well, I hope to have helped you in some way. If you want to know more about Ted's Woodworking, enter the official site in the description of the video.